Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm Chris, this is PNW RC Madness, and we're back again today for another video of an unboxing of the Losi LMT roller. Yeah, roller, I don't know why they call it the ready to run. Maybe it's just because it's ready to run with your own electronics, but we got that too. So we've got some Tekin stuff. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to get the truck unboxed. And I'm going to show you all the upgrades I'm going to put on the truck. So let's go ahead and not waste any time. Let's get the truck out of the box, see what's inside. We'll see what's different from the ready to run, and we'll go from there. So let's go. Alright guys, let's not waste any time. Let's go ahead and get this box open. It's the Losi LMT. Already got the actual grave digger, so we're going to go ahead and build one, which it's kind of not really building. Oh, there we go. So it actually does, it says ready to run on the front of the box, and then if you can see, it actually does say roller. Somewhere, yeah, roller needed. It tells you what you need. Clear body, blah 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 blah. So you're basically gonna need everything. So let's pull the truck out of the box, see what we got inside. So this is just for the guys that want to see what the truck looks like. Alright, so let's do a quick comparison. So here is the ready to run, or here is the roller. So it looks like when you get the roller, it looks like you've only get the stock wheels. They're just white. These are not actually stock, but the stock wheels came green, white and green. These are actually J-Concepts painted, or stock, painted and dyed. But the stock wheels on the roller are just white or gray, whatever you want to call that. Opening it up, it looks like the cage is all black. Basically the whole truck is all black. Same shocks, same everything. Looks like on your sponsor plate you don't get any kind of sponsor stickers. The roll bars, the Nerf bars are not green or blue, they're black. And then obviously you don't get a body. But going through the rest of the truck, it all pretty much looks just the same minus the electronics and the colors. So we'll go ahead and put these aside, and we'll take a look at this. So there's some good old, the link is already coming loose, falling out. That's not cool. Looks pretty much the same as the ready to run. Like I said, just minus all the color you get on the truck, but that's okay because we're going to do some other unboxings. Let's flip the truck over, see if they did the updated axles on this truck. So there's one way to tell if you get a truck that has updated axles. You'll see these are not the updated axles, because on the updated axles there's a screw, and then on the updated version there's actually a screw on the bottom as well. So these are not the updated axles. Kind of unfortunate, but that's okay because we're going to upgrade them. Looking like they didn't do a very good job building the truck. Actually, they did not get the camber link or the trailing arm all the way onto the rod end, so we'll have to take that apart and tighten that up. You can see there's some movement in there. Actually, looks like it's about ready to fall out on that side. Alright, so here we are. So the first thing, kind of come up with a theme for the truck, and we're going to do a Patriot build. We're actually going to go ahead and use this Patriot body. This is wrapped by FatCatCustomz. Pretty slick. It's not painted. It's all wrapped. It's got the racer wing on the back. So we're probably going to go ahead and try to either mount it to the cage or take the cage off. We're probably going to take the cage off and use the body mounts that come in the bag in order to mount the body. So real quick, for the guys that don't know anything about this truck yet, the truck comes with these body mounts. You can go ahead and just mount these. I'm not quite sure, probably here in the front and here in the rear. That way you can get your own custom body in there. So let's go ahead and take the cage up. It's got 4 pins. 2 in the front, 1 on each side underneath the Nerf bar. Truck comes with blue springs in the front, or blue springs in the rear, yellow springs in the front. Check out these awesome headers. They're black. They're not 3D printed, but they do look pretty good. Got a nice open spot for your ESC to go in. And then we're going to go ahead and remove all this and I'll show you what we're putting in here. So let's get out some parts. Look at that. Comes with a big ginormous 5mm shaft on the motor. Super beautiful looking motor. Red end bell, red cap, black can. Comes with the sensor wire. As far as the ESC goes, we decided to go with the Tekin as well. I wanted to go with the sensor system in this truck because I do plan on racing it. So let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. Kind of check it out. So let's see what's inside the box. Opening up the box. Looks like it comes with some Tekin. I've never seen this before, but a little bottle of lube. I guess we'll have to read the instructions. Looks like you can hook up the hot wire to it. There's a fan for you. Comes with some extra wires. And then this must be the wire for the motor fan, or the ESC fan. More instructions. More wires. An awesome Tekin sticker card. And then we got the bad boy Tekin RX4. So it looks like it comes hot glued to the bottom of the box, so we'll go ahead and just scrape this hot glue off before we get it mounted, but check that out. That is the Tekin RX4. Considerably smaller than the RX8 and super tough case. Looks like we can go ahead and install the fan in there if we need to. Comes with the screws for that. This on-off switch. Looks like the posts are quite a bit smaller as well. So let's set this aside and see what else we got for the truck. Oh yeah guys, so don't forget, please do subscribe. You can always hit the subscribe button right there in the bottom right hand corner. Go ahead and click the bell. Wow, check that out. So it looks like we got some Treal parts. Go ahead and get these out of the box. All aluminum parts. So it looks like the first thing I see is we're going to go ahead and upgrade the shock mounts to these black aluminum Treal 7075 aluminum mounts. Again, these are the black Treal mounts. And we're going to go ahead and use the black Treal servo adapter or servo mount. It's also made out of 7075. Comes with a nice little sticker sheet, so I'll probably go ahead and put some Treal stickers on my sponsor plates. And then we got the Treal 25 tooth servo saver. But instead of using that one, we're actually going to go ahead and use this Freestyle RC servo saver. Save this one for a different truck. So again, here's the Freestyle RC. You can find this at freestylerc.com. He's out of stock quite often, but keep checking back and you'll get lucky. And then this is really super awesome. It looks like we got the 7075 wheel hub spacers. These are plus 5mm, so the truck's actually going to be 10mm wider. Can't wait to put these on the truck. Super awesome. And here we go. After we get that Tekin system installed, we're going to go ahead and run that system on 3S. So I decided to go with the Maxamps. I got the 5450 true 120C discharged battery. Nothing special, just another battery. But I have been running these batteries for years, and they seem to hold with their internal resistance rates for quite some time. Maxamps has got excellent customer service, and you could choose whatever type of plug connection you would like to get with your batteries. So that is going to power the system. Maxamps for the win. Alright, so moving on. Truck comes with a plastic steering link, and we've gone ahead and got this aluminum steering link and arm, which we're not going to use the arm. We're only going to use the steering links. And this is from Crawford Performance Engineering. Pretty cheap item. I believe it was only like $14.99. And then I've been looking out on the websites and checking out Facebook quite a bit, and I've noticed that I don't really like how the stock battery sits in the truck. So I went ahead and got this LCG battery tray, and this is made by Bowhouse. So it looks like it comes with all the required screws, a battery strap, and then obviously the tray. So once we get building, I'll show you how this thing goes in. Looks like it's made pretty well, and I can't wait to see what it looks like in the truck. So we're going to go ahead and power the truck with my Futaba 4PX. One thing that's cool about these remotes, and most other remotes actually, the spectrums that come with the trucks, is you could pair them with other RXs, other receivers. I've decided to use my Futaba, and what we have here is the R204GFE. So this is actually a wireless receiver. It doesn't have a wire. Let's take this bad boy out of the box. Alright, so you got a squeeze. So this is what we're going to be running for the receiver. It's the Futaba 204GF-E. No wire, so we won't have to worry about the wire hanging out. Alright, so moving on, it looks like we got this package from, I really like this guy, Jerrc. That's Jason Riffe. You can find him on Facebook. Provides some super awesome quality stuff. So we'll go ahead and see what we got in his package. So it looks like we got a few things in here. So instead of running the stock sway bar links, we're going to go ahead and use Jason Riffe's. These are actually the heavy duty sway bars. Comes with all the supplied hardware that you need. Spacers, screws, the rod ends, and then the actual sway bars itself, and the cross member bars. I'm not sure what you call these, but look at that. It comes super nicely packaged. So we'll be taking off the stock sway bars and running those. So digging deeper into the boxes, definitely the truck needs a servo, and I didn't feel like spending $150 on a Riffe's or even a ProTech servo, so I decided to go with this diamond. I went ahead and I picked this up again from Jason at Jerrc. This is actually the stuff that he sends in his boxes. So I got this thank you card. Here is a business card of his, and then this is the servo we're actually going to use. One reason why I wanted to use this is because it is operating voltage up to 8.4 volts. It's actually pretty fast at 0.11 seconds, and it has an all aluminum case. So let's go ahead real quick and take it out of the box. The one thing when you're running these monster trucks, when you go ahead and buy a servo, you're definitely going to want to buy one that has an all aluminum case. These tires are super heavy, and you will break your servos, and you'll definitely crack the top if it's plastic. So check that out. It's the 60 kilogram, 8.4 volt, 0.08 seconds. Super quality looking servo. We'll see how it holds up. I think it is from China, but nonetheless, the quality looks really nice. They're calling this the Monster Killer Servo. Last but not least, we got another package from Jason Riffe at Jerrc. So this one I cannot wait to get open. Oh wow, check it out. So, I'm not sure. Nice bag in there. I didn't order a bag, that's for sure. More packaging, the box is empty. Definitely doesn't skimp on the packaging. So check this out, guys. How often do you get a bag? Check that out. That is pretty awesome. Nice little handy tote bag that I can use when I go out onto the track. I can stick my remote in there. I can stick whatever I want in there. Super awesome of him. Thanks, Jason, with Jerrc. Big, huge shout out and thumbs up to you, buddy. Well, there we go. So this is what we're going to be using. Lots and lots of Treal upgrades. So we got the front axle and we got the rear axle. And then the last thing I see that he supplies in this bag is this awesome sticker package. It's nicely sealed in a bag. Comes with a little bit of candy in the back, and of course he's got another business card in there. Alright, so there's one thing I didn't know. When I ordered these Treals, I thought they came with spindles and hubs, but that is not true. So we'll just go ahead and pull one of these right out of the bag and see what they look like before we end the video. Super awesome sticker sheet. We've got lots and lots of stickers. Comes with the bearings. Alright, let's see the quality of these bad boys. Alright, check that out. That is super nice. Cannot wait to get these on the truck. So it looks like the only thing we're going to have to buy is the spindles. But you get the C-hubs for the front. Looks like you get the hubs for the rear. Comes with bearings, comes with all the supplied hardware. So there you go. Alright guys, so as you can see, these trucks cost a lot of money, and it does take a lot to make these videos. I don't have a patrons page or any of that. I do this all on my own. I don't have any sponsors. This all comes from my hard-earned work. But you guys could definitely help me out by, like I said, hitting the like button. Give me a huge thumbs up. And if you'd like, you can go ahead and you can go to www.pnwrcmadness.com, and you guys can get yourself some merch. I don't have very much in there, but I got some sweatshirts. I got different colors. Quite a few items in there. I got these awesome hats. They feel super nice. Go ahead and support me by getting some merch. Big thumbs up for that. Alright guys, so I didn't want to make this a super long video. Hopefully I can keep it under 10 minutes, but I just wanted to get this truck unboxed, show you what's inside the Losi box, and then show you everything I'm going to use to put it together. So hopefully I can start working on this soon. Maybe I can do a build video, show you step by step, maybe show you how to build the Treal axles, find out what it takes to build these. So again, please do leave me a like, leave me a thumbs up, do hit the subscribe button down in the right hand corner, hit that bell notification, and yeah, super awesome, super happy. Can't wait to see you guys on the next one, and I will talk to you guys later.